dance lessons. My name is Andrea Hardy. I am the secretary for the Sway Dance Society at UTSA, and I'm joined here by my little cousin,
Abby!
Yes, so this is Abby. She's learned the solo jazz choreography that I have put together for y'all. So y'all know it's going to be easy. It's going to be fun. If she can do it, y'all can do it too.
Yeah.
So.
12-year-old gonna be 13 can't do it. Woo!
Woo!
Yeah!
So let's get started.
Woo!
Okay, so the first move that I'm going to be teaching y'all today is the Charleston variation that we have actually seen before in Hannah's choreography back earlier this semester. So what it's going to look like is a rock, step, kick, step, stomp, and drag. Right. I'll slow it down a bit so that y'all can go ahead and see it better. So it'll be rock, step, kick, step, stomp, and drag. Okay? For you number people, here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm currently doing the follow footwork for the Charleston basic variation, but you can go ahead and change it up so that you rock step on your left foot. So it'll be rock step, kick step, stomp, and drag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can do either one, whichever one you feel more comfortable with. Go ahead and do that one. It's up to you. So from the back, here's how it looks like. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, kick, step, stomp, and drag. For the other foot, if you want to do it the other way, you do rock, step, kick, step, stomp, and drag. Alright? Alright, so after we do our Charleston basic, we're going to move into shoe shines and then a boogie drop into rocks. So for the shoe shines, Sydney, our lovely president, has actually done a lesson on several of the jazz moves that we'll be doing today. So please go ahead and check out her video, which was last week Tuesday. So if you would like to have a more in-depth explanation, she also does a great job of explaining these jazz moves more. Anyways, here's the quick footnotes version. So we just did the Charleston variation, the rock, step, kick, step, stomp, and drag. We do a step, a prop out, our left foot, swipe, swipe, step, out, swipe, swipe. From the back, it's going to look like this. Rock, step, kick, step, stomp, and drag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so after we do the shoe shines, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we do boogie drops, which look like this. Now you can do it, you can actually do it like one of 3 ways. So you can do toe, heel, out, or you can do heel, toe, out, or just step with your foot. So out, out. So you're doing this with your right foot first. So 1, 2, 3. Then you're gonna rock forward, look to your sky. Now you can either do snap or clap. So do that 3 times, and then you do it to the other way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're doing something else for 7, 8. From the back, here's how it's going to look like. We're doing the Charleston variation, the 2 shoe shines, and then the boogie drop into the rocks. So We do rock, step, kick, step, stop, and jazz. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so we just did the boogie drops into the rocks. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that count of 6, we're going to immediately go up 7 and 8. 1, 2. So you're going to kick out, place your foot back down, and go straight into a Shorty George. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the back, let's it from the back so that y'all can follow along as well. So we're doing the second boogie drop into the kick, into the Shorty George. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kick, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. After the Shorty George, we're doing knee slaps. Knee slaps. Pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna bring your left foot up first and slap, down, slap, down, slap, and you're gonna do this one twice. So, the Shorty George. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the back, we do the kick in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from there, it's our last move. It's a simple jazz square. So 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's just about it. So we do basically 1.5 jazz squares. From the back, from the Shorty George, the knee slaps, and then the 1.5 jazz squares. So kick and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's just it. Woo! Alright, so that's the last move, the half of a jazz square. From there, you have about 1 or 2 minutes left of music, so you can go ahead and do whatever you'd like. If you want to, we would really appreciate it, and we would really love to see what you come up with. If you decide to post it on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube even, just go ahead and tag us, because we would really love to see what you guys do with it. You can add your own flair, your own style. You can change up the moves even. Just do whatever you feel is fun for you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and show you the whole thing from the back. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, pick, step, stomp, and jazz. And 1, swipe, swipe, 3, 4, swipe, swipe, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's it. That's the whole dance. So me and my cousin are gonna do it to music.
Woo!
We're gonna add our own little dance moves after that little slide back from the jazz square. I hope y'all enjoy.
Yeah. So let's get started.
Yeah. choreography. So it's been challenging, but it's also been fun. After this video ends, we're going to be doing a Zoom call where you can go ahead and ask any questions. If you just want to come over and chat, we would love to have you there. The link is going to be in the description or in the comments, or alternatively, you can check out our GroupMe. That's where we post all our announcements and events that we're doing. So that being said, I hope y'all have a great day. I'll see you at the call. Come talk to us, come ask questions. We'd love to have you there. So yeah.
Bye. Also, Julie Mumble, click like and subscribe and put on your notification so you can get more videos on dancing because they're super fun. And yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Wow.